So G-Shock has been started successfully, and still it's not April away. So you can go and submit a proposal document. So let's say your proposal document has got successfully accepted at your particular organization that you might be targeting on. But this is one of the problems that you might be facing on. Let's say you have contributed successfully and your contributions are accepted with your vendors. But now when you try to create a pull request, and I have seen this lots of time that many people what they will do is they'll create just one commit and add a bunch of file in a single commit only. So let's say there is one reviewer and he is reviewing or he or she is reviewing your commit or let's say a pull request and he has added a comment that create a separate commit per file with more description and just straightforward he or she has closed the pull request that you have created. Now you need to create you need to undo your previous commit, unstage all of those file and create a separate commit per file. So you're not sure how you can do this. So in this video we'll break down that how you can achieve that. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So you run into this problem that most of the time what people will do is they will change multiple files and create just one commit for all of those files. But now there is a one reviewer and he or she wants you to create a separate commit per file. So now what he or she has done is straightforward. When he was or she was reviewing the commit, just close the pull request. So now what you need to do is you need to go and inside your working directory and undo your last commit. So there are several ways to achieve this. What achieve this? What I mean by that is to achieve a separate commit per file. So just let me give you an overview. So this is the, let's suppose your open source organization project has this many files, and what you have did is let me just go and fetch the last commit. Okay, so your last commit was on test branch and it was adding some modules to files and creating a new file. So you have did this commit, but this commit involves multiple files. So let's just review. So there is a single commit, and what are the files that has been changed? So these many files are changed, but this file you have created new, and these are the two files that you have let's say modified. Let's say you have added some functions into this file, some functions in this file, and created this file. So these are the changes, but now you need to create separate commit per file with descriptive commit message. So how you can do this, I'll demonstrate the simplest way first, but I am pretty sure that there might be several different ways to achieve this. So the simplest way to achieve this is to soft reset the last commit. And what I mean by reset is you will basically undo the commit that you have did the last. Okay, and what I mean by that is, let me just hit this command reflog. So this command will show you the activity that you are doing. So the head 0 means the last activity that you have did is a commit, and this is the commit message. So before that the head 1 shows the second last command that you have did, second last thing that you have did. So second last thing that you have did was checkout. And where did you check out? From main to test. So these are the things that you can grab. And now you can go to the stage where you want where you haven't performed this changes. So that might be before the last commit that we have did, right? So before the last commit, this was the stage. So either you can take head @1 this particular index, or you can take this commit ID. But now we will take this thing index actually, and we will perform a soft rebase. And to perform a soft reset, not rebase, you just need to enter this git reset soft, and then you need to give the position or the relative index. Okay, and now if I just hit git status, you will see these are the 3 files that you have staged. But now there is an issue. We don't want to include all of this file into a single commit. So now we need to unstage all of this file first. So to unstage all of this file, what we can do is we can just use this suggestion that they are saying over here. So these 3 files are currently into the staging area, and what it means is these files are ready to be added as a commit. But now we want to first restore. So to restore all of this file, we just can write this git restore -- stage followed by the period. Okay, and now we again hit git status. So see, these all are the changes that has been removed from the staging area. So now we can add one by one each and every file. Okay, and now we can create a commit. Add new file, something like this. We can hit git status again. Okay, and now we can add this file, and now we can perform a second commit, which will be, let's say, added function. Now we can again enter a git status, and we can add this file to the staging area, and we can again perform a commit with the commit message. Let's say modified a function. Okay, and now if we hit the git status, you will see we can pull, or we can okay. So because there was a pull request, and these are the things that we have changed, so first we need to pull the changes. So, and if we do not want to pull, we can forcefully push, bridging and test. Okay, and now if we go to our code, and if we go for the pull request, and if we create a new pull request, and here we click the test, so you see there are 3 commits, and these are the 3 files that we have changed. And if we can now create a pull request over here, you now have 3 separate commits and 3 files changed. So this is the beauty of Git. I hope you got the idea of how you can separate a commit into a different or into multiple commits. So this is the issue, and this is the solution. Hopefully you have got the idea. We'll meet in the next video, and if you want more of this Git hub or Git sessions, you can just pin, or you can just add a comment for that particular video. I would love to make those videos for the solution of the problems that you might run, or that you may write in the comment box. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.